It is one of the most anticipated televisions of the year, because it is not in vain is the top model of Sony range. Its proposal in the OLED range, a step above the LED range that comes topped by the Sony XF90. And if we already knew the price of its range of LED TVs, we were still orphaned in terms of data regarding the Sony AF8. Little by little we are clearing doubts in this regard, and that although limited for now to the United States, we already know what the starting price will be for what we can do with this model, which offers a more conservative design than the revolutionary Sony A1 and a price that remains almost invariable. The new Sony AF8 can now be booked in the United States in any of the two sizes it will be available in. So we can opt for the more compact model of 55 inches or greater 65 inches at a price of $2,799 in the case of the first and $3,799 in the case of the second largest diagonal. The new Sony AF8 inherits the HDR4K X1 Extreme Image Processor and Acoustic Surface technology, offering inspiring sound in addition to high visual quality. We are facing OLED TVs, so intense blacks are achieved, rich and realistic colors and a very wide angle of view. The two models make use of 4K screens with HDR and a sound generated with Acoustic Surface technology that allows the sound to come out directly from the screen, which in turn is helped by the One Slate design that dispenses with visible speakers.